How to disable Instagram story comments. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. So if you wish to disable Instagram story comments, you can head towards your story at top left corner of the screen. Select three dots at bottom right corner. Now simply select Go to Story Settings at bottom of the screen. Scroll down. Now you need to locate Commenting option, and now simply select Choose who can leave comments on your story, and then select Off Bottom, and this will help you to disable Instagram story comments. So this was one for the particular story. So if you want to disable Instagram story comments for every stories, you need to head towards profile at bottom right corner. Select three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select comments option under how others can interact with you. After that, you need to select stories option and choose off. This will disable or turn off Instagram story comments for every stories. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.